lovelies, how's it going? It's time to choose new cover for 2022 Hobonichitecho, and I feel time flies so fast. This is the cover I chose for this year, and I've already did the setup, so I hope you will enjoy this video. And I have the same video that I'm talking in Japanese, so if you guys like to see that, I have a link below in the description box, so I hope you can check that. Okay, sure, so I'll show you the inside. So this is the cover I chose this year. This is from Omiya Yogashiten. It's a sweet shop. It's like a pastry in Tokyo. And this was a wrapping paper. Like this. So here's the back side of this sweet shop. And what I pretty about this was this butterfly stopper. This is so cute stripe with light blue and white. Okay, so here's the inside. I attached the wrapping paper from Yamada stationery shop here and also the back side. It's so pretty, and I think it really goes well with this inside color, this light blue and this one. And actually, I guess like this kind of inside color is very important, because when you write something, when you use actual cover Hobonichi, what you see is not the front cover, but here, this inside color. So I have an experience to choose some of the cover that this front cover is very nice, but here was a black, and I actually don't like black so much. So when I write something here, I felt like a bit depressed because of that. This color is really important. Again, I'll say, this color is really important when you choose the cover. Okay. So I attached washi tape here to get it stronger. And this is the second front cover with a cute paper with this die cut. This is my favorite Ukrainian illustrator. I think that's her name, so I think I will search about her. And this is 11th diary, and it doesn't mean that this is the 11th Hobonichi, but this is the 7th of my Hobonichi. Okay, I have been keeping diaries for nearly 12 years or 13 years, which I think the time flies so fast. Okay, and on the back I have a file of one from the same cover, and here we have the card with an illustration of Australia. And for me, Australia is a special country that I have many moments. So whenever I see this, I feel really good experience and feel very good about it, because I have lots of memories. This is not what I got from Australia, so it's not like memorabilia, but it's kind of, because my pen pal sent me this, and somehow I feel like my memories there whenever I see this. This is the die cut from my pen pal. This is so cute. It's Christmassy themed, so maybe for some seasons it doesn't fit, but I don't care because it's just so cute, and it's just so cute. It's alright. And okay, so I show you some of the pages. So this is the yearly calendar with decoration of stickers from Daiso. Okay, and this is the pages that I created. This is just a copy paper, but I created look like old because I dyed with tea bag. If you want to know how to make this, I have a video about how to make this tutorial, but it's in Japanese, so I'm afraid of that. But you can search lots of videos in YouTube. It's very easy to make those kind of vintage paper. And these are the papers that I downloaded from Hobonichi sites. The site name is called the download city. So if you search download city Hobonichi, you can download lots of papers. So I just copied to the freebies. It's totally free. And here's the back. And this is the shop card of Omiya Yoga Shiten, which actually comes with this cover. Okay? Right. So next I'm going to show you this. This is from Russia. So Novim Godam is Happy New Year. It's also Christmassy because Russian Christmas is on January 7th. I really like Russian cultures, also Russian stationeries, things like that, because they are very cute and something I feel like nostalgia. So whenever I see this section, these pockets, I feel really pretty about that, and I feel really happy because just looking at the stationery is just cute. Maybe you know what I mean. And here's the stickers. Okay. So that was the quick introduction of Hobonichitecho for 2022, but I really hope that you liked it. For the very last, I'd like to share with you this beautiful notebook that is published this year from Hobonichi. This is illustrated by Yuka Hiragi. I think this is so cute. I had no choice, but I just bought it. And I'm going to buy the cousin size, so A5 size after, maybe later. So yeah, I really like this illustration so much. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed much. And I have some other videos, so if you guys like that, you can check them. Thank you and bye! Have a wonderful life with Hobonichi.